Say what's up, Grandma. This is Alexander. Look, he's just getting up. Okay. This one he smiles and everything. He's in a good mood, right? And look how ticklish she is, Lama. Look. Say what's up, Booby. Booby, say what's up. Huh? Oh, yeah? Uh-huh. Don't act all shy. Say hello to your great-grandmother.
Honey.
Say hey, Eunice. Eunice. What? 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 What are you trying? You hungry? You just ate. Didn't you just eat? Huh? Didn't you just eat? Hmm? Hmm? Huh? Huh? What? What? You don't like it? Hmm? Hmm? What's so funny? Hmm?
Honey. Alexander.
Look at that. Smile. Let me see you smile. Come on. Come on. Ah, that's my boy. Yeah. Amacito. 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 Yeah. Oh. 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 Here, show Grandma. Look, come on, ready? Oh, look at all his mittens. I take off. We're gonna flex for Grandma. Ah. Okay. Here, come on, ready? You ready, Booby? Stand up. Ah. Look, Grandma, look how fat I got. Look at him. Whoa, hey, he's getting shaky. I think he's been drinking a little too much. Say, what's up, Grandma? What's up? Say hello, baby. Say hello. Say what's up, mommy.
Hey, honey.
El baile de perrito. El baile de perrito.
Hey, honey. Hey, honey.
Look, I got him like a puppet on a string. Look at him. All right. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. There you go. There you go.
Bye-bye, Grandma. I love you. Talk to you soon.